Welcome back to our channel. Once again, I'm here in Latvia because it's Agnes' birthday on 27th February, and this weekend, and I promised her that we will celebrate your birthday. And I just got last night here. कल रात को पहुंचा यहाँ पे और इसका बर्थडे है 27 फरवरी को. तो मैंने प्रॉमिस किया था कि मैं तेरा बर्थडे पक्का सेलिब्रेट करूँगा, पक्का होगा. आई विल ट्राई माय बेस्ट. पर मैं आ गया. सकी चाओ. तो कल रात को पहुंचा. बहुत लेट हो गया था, मतलब 8 बजे, और यहाँ पे 8 बजे काफ़ी अंधेरा था. स्नो भी पड़ी है, मैं आपको दिखाऊंगा आगे. तो अभी हम जा रहे हैं रीगा सिटी बिकॉज इट्स Agnes' birthday. We have to do shopping, so we are going. But snow इतनी ज़्यादा भी नहीं है, पर ठीक है. मतलब अब मैं बेल्जियम में रहा हूँ तो वहाँ पर भी टेम्परेचर माइनस में था. मेरा काम भी ठंड में होता है, फ्रीजर्स में. तो अब बॉडी यूज हो चुकी है ठंड से, इसलिए मुझे ज़्यादा ठंड नहीं लग रही. मम्मी बोली कि टोपी डालूँ, कैप नहीं डाली. But normal for me, it's normal for now because I've been in Belgium and it's cold in Belgium. It's like actually minus again. I work in freezers, so I'm kind of used to it. So today I will show you how we're gonna not how we're gonna, but like we'll go and what we're gonna buy actually, because I have no idea what you want, but we'll see.
We'll see.
We're going bought shopping for her, but she do not know what she wants.
Because I haven't seen the shops there yet.
I know she has never been to cities alone, so
Of course not.
first time with me, and we'll see. I cannot flip the camera, but I will start recording with the other one. But you can see back there. See, it's snow, but it's like not too much snow, but it is. So we'll continue the vlogging again. हम continue करेंगे vlog को, but अभी नहीं. जब हम रीगा पहुंच जाएंगे तब हम we'll keep you updated. See, snow है अभी. पीछे थोड़ी हुई. ज़्यादा नहीं है, but snow है. Welcome back again. What weekend? Oh, we're kind of promoting the restaurant. What's wrong with that? So me and Agnes, we just came to a restaurant. It's a new one in Riga Plaza. Like the way there are malls in Portugal, malls here too, and they have a mall here too. It's called Riga Plaza. Yeah, thank you. And we cannot figure out. She chose it, and I could not choose it. So she's the one. She ordered pizza. वैसे ये भी नहीं पता कि वो वेज है कि नहीं है. पर उस बंदे ने बताया मैं कि नहीं, ये वेजिटेरियन आप चूज़ कर सकते हैं. तो आज मंगलवार है, ये भी नहीं खाई चिकन बिकॉज मैं तो खाता नहीं हूँ. तो ट्यूसडे की रिस्पेक्ट करिए बिकॉज मैं फास्ट करता हूँ ट्यूसडे को. So she chose that she will not eat chicken too on Tuesdays.
I don't even eat.
I know. I'm telling them that you chose to not eat chicken on Tuesdays because I fast on Tuesdays. Today I'm not fasting because मैं यहाँ पे उसके पास, तो मतलब मैं वैसे नहीं रखता, मैं कभी कभार रखता हूँ महीने में एक बार फास्ट. So but because of me she thought कि ये भी चिकन नहीं खाएगी Tuesday को. और ये मॉल काफ़ी अच्छा, मैं आपको दिखाऊंगा. बट H&M भी है यहाँ पे, 2-3 मार्केट, 4, मतलब काफ़ी बड़ा अंदर से. हम अंदर नहीं गए, जस्ट पिज़्ज़ा देखा और ये टूट पड़ी कि भूख लगी है. लेकिन सुबह हम खाली पड़े थे वहाँ से, घर से निकले खाली पे. सो we'll eat now and we'll keep adding you guys because सुबह टाइम में यहाँ पे कोई है नहीं, मॉल पे खाली पड़ा हुआ है. It's early morning time and the mall is totally empty. There's no one here.
Yeah, it's
So it's early morning. Yeah. And yeah, we'll see what we can get. There are a lot of things here. And the best part is मुझे खुद crowded place पसंद नहीं, और best part है कि सुबह यहाँ पे कोई इतना भीड़ है भी नहीं. So we'll eat first and then we'll go for the walk, for the shopping thing because we don't have energy. She's hungry and I'm hungry too. तो मुझे खाली पेट
You need
नहीं.
energy.
Yeah, of course we need a lot of energy. And, we're just thinking, that this place is decent. यहाँ पे जो रेस्टोरेंट है बहुत अच्छा है. और वेजिटेरियन है. बड़ी बात है कि ये तो लोगों ने बहुत बड़ा मेन्यू रखा है वेजिटेरियन के लिए. So yeah. Thought I played, but it was not playing at all. I'm so stupid for that. मुझे लगा मैंने वीडियो प्ले कर दी, बट प्ले नहीं हो रही थी. But it's okay. So हमने अभी खाया पिज़्ज़ा. It was good. It was actually good. The pizza was good, right?
It was good, yeah.
Okay, but we didn't. I don't like showing things that I'm eating on the video, so I just did not do it. I mean, people will say, "Oh, you made the vlog last time and you were eating." Oh, that was a different thing. I don't know, like to post picture when I'm eating. But maybe I'll make it a thumbnail. We can use it as a thumbnail. Oh yeah. I have an idea. I will not tell you right now. I'll show later. So we are here in a makeup shop. It's called Drogas in Latvia. You can get everything here cheap and good, and actually decent. So we are here because she wants some makeup stuff, but she has no idea what she wants. ये तो मैंने बोला मैं चल लेके आते कुछ. तो मुझे कुछ नहीं लेना. तो मैंने कहा बहुत बढ़िया भाई, इसकी बहुत तारीफ है, कभी भी मेरे पैसे नहीं खर्च करवाते फालतू. She never lets me with a lot of money, just normal stuff she wants and what we want. So yeah, you need your shampoo, face wash, perfume. Babe, you are so weird. Last time I didn't want you to take to Droga and you were like, oh, I want to go to Droga. And this time when I'm telling you, Martha, let's go, let's buy something. You don't want to buy anything. Then you don't know. लेट्स गो. Look, last time जब हम लोग गए थे तो मैंने इसे कहा कि मैं छठ पर क्यों जाना मेकअप स्टोर पे देखो. She's like, no, I want to go, I want to go, I want to go. And this time when I'm telling her that go buy something, I don't know what to buy. You are really weird, I swear.
What happens?
What happens? Go for me.
Things.
Save more money. Just go home.
No. Let's keep shopping.
This is a push you have to give. भाई अजीब है जब मैं ऐसे बोलता हूँ कि शॉपिंग नहीं करना छठ पर चलते हैं घर पे तब इसको शॉपिंग करनी. अब जब मैं बोल रहा हूँ कि क्या चाहिए तो अभी लर्न जाती. Shut your mouth.
So what is this?
What is what?
This. Oh, it's
Am I a
for
girl?
face. It's for
Look, am I a
face.
girl? You have boobs? Oh, sorry, I do have it. And not like that. It's a makeup shop, बहुत quiet है. So I think I'll stop vlogging right now. Finally, shopping is done, and this is it's not kind of expensive, but it's like kind of high at the same time. I don't know if you guys can see me, but holding an iPhone from that place is like pretty not easy.
Yeah. Hard.
Hard, yeah. Shopping done. Mall is pretty good. They have pretty decent shops over here. And back over there, if you go back over there, we got this from the back top, like all the way up. And she's happy now, finally.
I'm very happy.
Yeah, finally. Because I think we bought her 1 year makeup. She don't need to go to the drogas for 1 more year. And it's like enough
I
for her.
usually don't go much.
I know you don't go. Do you want to go see shoes? First off.
No. I haven't.
Let's go.
No.
Let's go. Let's go.
Let's go.
That on sale, let's see if you like something. और बड़ी बात है -70% ऑफ पे लग रहा है भाई. मैंने कहा लेने में क्या जा रहा है. 70% ऑफ. It's too much. These are for men. For you, it will be that side, I guess. भाई साहब ये देखो Drogas. 1 साल की शॉपिंग है उतनी बनी. 1 year you don't have to shopping. Then for 1 year at least.
Yeah. I believe that.
Shoes, they're cheap, you know, it's 70% off. You should get them, I guess, and I think you should get them. It's men's section, honey. You have to go straight there. Move your ass.
See you later.
Bye-bye. Yeah, she's the main character of my vlogs. Not kind of same main character. I'm in the main too. You always wanted those big heels. You get them.
What?
Huh?
Where?
I don't know. Check there further. You cannot check until we do not move your booty. Oh, they are ugly as well. Let's go over there.
You don't like them?
You like them?
I do, actually. No.
Take it.
These ones, not these ones. These are ugly.
Take them.
No.
They're big for you. More than speakers. What? Oh, it's 30% off. 30% off. Oh, babe, this will look good with your dress. It's okay. You want it? You want it? We have the pink one too.
Where's the pink one?
This one.
This one?
Yep.
I don't like this. Oh, dear. 26. These are small.
Mm-hmm. This one will look good with the shoes if you want, but it's too high. Yes, way too high. Check further. Shoes further. Maybe you don't have the white shoes, right? You never have the white shoes.
I don't like them.
Why you don't like
They
them?
get dirty. That's why I don't like them.
Check the sandals over there. Maybe you like them. The sandals over there.
Sandals? I don't like them.
You don't like them? The shoes? No. I'm trying to see how am I looking. I'm looking in the mirror. मैं अभी शीशे में देख रहा हूँ, अपनी शक्ल देख रहा हूँ. मतलब कैमरा एंगल बहुत बुरा पकड़ा मैंने. अब करूँ क्या कि इसको फ्लिप करना बहुत मुश्किल है आईफोन को. But I'm trying my best. What do you want?
I want you
You have me.
for the rest of the
You have me. But check shoot. We'll catch you guys later because she is having some problem choosing.
It happens, you know.
I will help her finding something, then I'll
Exactly.
add you guys. Bye bye. अब हम लोग अभी H&M से आ रहे हैं और H&M इतना बेकार है, यहाँ पे कुछ नहीं मिला. Do you like something in H&M? Oh, it's not good. Look at this, New Yorker. Hey, but it's a brand from Germany. I don't know, German का brand है. पर भाई साहब जैकेट्स बहुत कैंट है. ये सारी मतलब 14-15 यूरो जैकेट है भाई साहब. मतलब it's good. Babe, take this one.
Which one? This one?
Yeah, it's good.
Okay. 15.
Yeah,
Wow.
that's what I'm saying.
Fuck. Doesn't look good.
भाई 15 यूरो की, मैं 1500 की जैकेट है और बहुत कैंट लग रही है. वो न्यूयॉर्कर
Yes.
ब्रांड है. मतलब
Oh.
extra buttons. Babe, get more. It's cheap. Yeah. Don't you like these ones? The free ones?
Not really.
Then check something else. Cheap. भाई बहुत कैंट है. मेरे साइज की यहाँ पे है नहीं, मैं भी लेता तो.
Should we go check something else?
Babe, these ones. Careful. That's the only problem. My hands are full with the stuff and she's full with the stuff and I cannot vlog because I cannot hold these things.
So after this, we should,
Babe,
just
check over there.
film.
The good checkers
When we're
over there too. Over there, the free ones I want you to. Let's go. भाई बहुत मतलब पीछे देखो पूरी जैकेट लगी हुई 14-15 यूरो की. मतलब इंडिया के हिसाब से भी बहुत चीप है भाई. और न्यूयॉर्कर ब्रांड मैं खुद ये देख के शौक हूँ. मतलब कैसे babe? Oh babe, buy this one for me. Oh, it's so big for me. भाई जैकेट देखो. मतलब क्या? Yeah, of course I will buy them. I always wanted to have the half ones.
This one? Buy it.
But it's not my size.
This one?
हाँ, I will buy from India. मुझे इंडिया के कपड़े पसंद आते हैं. But for you, it's good. You want this one?
No, I don't like these.
Okay,
So-
then let's go for the fur ones. You want this? Fur ones, free ones.
I will be a sheep.
I would love you to have a sheep.
Wow.
अच्छी लगी, baby. It looks good.
It looks actually good.
Yeah, take it.
Just 10.
Well, yeah. और पजामे भाई सस्ते होंगे पक्का यहाँ पे. I guess so. Hold on, we'll buy it first and we'll vlog later because there are a lot of
we'll
things.
be home better.
Yeah, I guess
will
so.
be
I guess so.
easier.
It will be easier.
First.
तब तक राम. Radhe.
Yeah,
She's so bad sometimes.
what?
It's okay. It's finally done shopping. It just came to see this room. It's a lot of stuff.
Very a lot.
Very quiet. But she deserves it. It's her birthday, so yeah, why not? And plus, the thing was, the New Yorker was so cheap.
It was good.
It was good. I told you, I've been to Belgium, I have been to, I live in Portugal, I've been to Netherlands, but I have never seen something really cheap and good. भाई पोर्टुगल में भी इतना अच्छे मॉल है ना, मतलब और नीदरलैंड्स में भी बहुत अच्छे मॉल हैं. बट मतलब मुझे बेल्जियम में भी काफ़ी अच्छे कपड़े हैं. बट ना मतलब इंडियन जो चीज़ें हैं ना, ये सब इंडियन है. ये सब ज़्यादा मैंने सब इंडियन, मम्मा ने भेजा है इंडिया से. तो मतलब इसका तो कोई जवाब नहीं है. बट यहाँ पे भी न्यूयॉर्क में भी बहुत अच्छे कपड़े थे और डिसेंट प्राइस में बहुत अच्छे कपड़े थे. तो लाइक चीप भी थे और बच्चे मगा अरे भाई. और मेरे सिर पे फोड़ा रखा है, गेंडा बन गया बिल्कुल.
One time you will make it big, and that's why it's bigger.
But yeah, but I don't like it. I don't like them on my face. We were
We will take care
what?
for each other.
You have to take care of me.
I will, of course.
That's what
Oh.
women do in India. They take care of their husband. Not husband take care of their woman.
Good for you.
Good for you. You have to massage my legs too.
Like I don't do that.
Oh yeah, you should do that. She does it a lot of times. Also, मम्मा ने इसके लिए कुछ गिफ्ट भेजे हैं और इसे मैंने बताया नहीं अभी तक. और अभी हिंदी समझ भी नहीं पाएगी. जब तक ये वीडियो देखी सबटाइटल के साथ तब तक मैं ऐसे ऑलरेडी सरप्राइज कर चुका हूँ. तो हाँ, मम्मा ने इसके लिए गिफ्ट भेजा, एक ड्रेस भेजा है बहुत तगड़ा और छोटी ज्वेलरी भेजी है और बिस्किट इंडिया से बेकरी वाली बिस्किट है वो भेजे इसके लिए. रात को हम इसके बहन के घर पे, तो वहाँ पे मैंने पैकेट खोले नहीं क्योंकि वो बच्चे खा लेंगे. You know, I'm telling them something. I'm saying that you won't understand that, and I don't want to tell you at the same time. So you'll see. You will be home. Something. But not right now. When we'll be home. Good time for that. Or a lot of people looking at us. I don't know why. Because
Because I'm
like,
Latvian.
yeah, and like oh, it's a brown guy with Latin. What the fuck they doing? वो भी बात नहीं भाई. इंडियंस का ना ये लोग सोचते हैं कि इंडियंस हम लोग गरीब होंगे, अपने देश से उठ के आए हैं. ये नहीं पता कि बहन तुम लोगों को पता नहीं, इंडियंस बहुत पहुंची चीज़ है. मतलब पता है लोगों को, कुछ लोगों को नहीं पता. कुछ रेसिस की तरफ से देखते हैं हम लोग को ब्राउन है. बड़ा पंगा कलर. अगर मैं गोरी होता ना तो ये पक्का कुछ नहीं बोलते. अभी देखो, कम क्लोज. इसकी शक्ल देखो, चिट्टू तो मेरी कैसे
No,
लग रही
it's
है?
not chocolate. You're caramel.
No, no, but you're white and I
I
like
am
it brown.
milk and you're caramel.
अब मेरी शक्ल है सांवली, सांवली के काले लग रहा हूँ, मोटा मोटा.
You're not chocolate.
I am, and
No,
you look white
chocolate
as
is
fuck.
not that light. Chocolate is darker.
Yeah?
You're caramel. I am milk.
तो लोग बड़ा वियर देखते, जब मैं ऐसे जाता हूँ कभी भी लोग बहुत वियर देखते हैं कि क्या चल रहा है. मॉल में भी काफ़ी लोग देखते हैं. It's not raining, sorry. It is not raining. तो अभी हमारी बस आने को अभी 12:43 हो गए और मेरी बस आने को काफ़ी टाइम है. What?
Welcome.
It's 12:42 right now and the bus is one. Oh my god, it's one more hour. हाँ, but we can still sit here if we need something we can go eat. तो लोग बड़े भीड़ चुके देखे, बुड्ढा हमारे से बैठा हुआ वो भी देख रहा है अजीब तरीके से, बट कोई दिक्कत नहीं है. And stay tuned, this is the first vlog. We will not make second vlog until her birthday. So yeah. So we couldn't finish the vlog there. We'll finish it right now and I will show you guys what we bought. And this is for you from mom. मामा ने इसके लिए ड्रेस भेजा था तो मुझे लगा मैं ज़्यादा रेजिस्ट नहीं कर पाऊँगा तो इसको दे देते हैं लगे. That's for you from mom because you wanted it from so long time.
Vai tiesnesis būs žēlīgs, ja pateiks, ka izglāb to dzīvību?
ना ये लहंगा लहंगा करते रहती थी तो मम्मी ने इसे लहंगा भेज दिया. अब you should try on that. You don't want right now.
Slēpties?
It's heavy.
Pārliecinās, ka arī nedabūj pa galvu.
Kā puika. Lorenzo ciet ugunsgrēkā. Viņa rokas smagi apdega. Iztēlojos, ka rētas izskatās līdzīgas tām, kuras tikko redzēju tev uz rokas.
Ja jau esmu Lorenzo, kāpēc es nenogalināju tevi, kad bija iespēja?
Pārāk gudrs.
This is the best store.
Gadiem ilgi
और इसमें तो बट्टा था शायद उसके साथ.
Vieglāk nošaut
मम्मा ने भेजा.
kuram maksāja, lai izliekas par tevi.
And one more thing.
Es pie
One more thing.
varonas,
Hold it.
jo man izglābi.
I cannot wait for. Ah, Mama.
Liecināt, samaksājas
They,
pirkumu,
tell these are cookies from India.
zūdi.
That's actually nice.
मम्मी ने बेकरी के बिस्किट भेजे थे उन लोगों के लिए. And these are the seasoning तो मसाले लेके आए कुकिंग करने के लिए. Shakes. 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 का. पक है. So मम्मा ने इसके लिए सोने की कुछ चीज़ें भेजी, मैं वो भी इसको दे दूँ. Mom sent you a few things.
Where's that?
No one else? It's gold.
Tava josta.
No swing for you. It's gold. It's gold. Pure gold.
Nožņauts izsēdīju ar jostu.
And
No
this is also
sīkuma
pure
sakrīt
gold.
varu derēt, ka kriminālistika to var pierādīt.
Tu esi laba. Zini, esmu par tevi dzirdējis.
You try this one.
Slavenā policijas
Try this
ar
one
atmiņu.
to check if it fits you or not.
Es par tevi arī.
That's why I was asking you time that if you have the piercing or it's close or not.
Lorenzo,
But I have put a small one and then
mazs
Try
puika,
it. Try it.
vārenis, ignorēts, augu
Be careful.
ķermeņa
Do
sistēmas
not let me
upuris.
lose it.
Yeah. Do not
Žēl
do
mazo puiku, bet nevilcināšos nošaut augstasinīgu slepkavu savā priekšā.
that. Oh, sorry, I'm blocking the camera. For today, it's enough. The vlog बहुत लंबा हो जाएगा. We'll add you guys for the next vlog on my birthday. Stay tuned. Bye bye.